Here I have Motorola Moto G31, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. Tap on it once and you can switch hotspot. You can also, by holding finger on it, access some of its settings, like this. Just hold down this button and here you can access its settings. For example, you can change its name, you can hide your device, you can change its security protocol, you can change its password, and in advanced you can also change its AP band. You can manage connected devices, you can allow devices, you can set device limit, and you can also set a timeout settings, which means like after which time of inactivity this hotspot will be automatically turned off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.